Here is a tutorial on setting up iPhone shortcuts. Once configured, you can use them to copy and paste. Step 1. openlefuo.com in your browser to get the shortcut. Open the Shortcuts app and replace the computer IP address with the one displayed in the top left corner of the screencasting software. Go to Phone Settings, Accessibility, Keyboard Control, turn on Full Keyboard Access, change Auto Height to E-second, and open Commands. Scroll to the very bottom to find it, 投屏助手. Click Quick Input, enter any content at the bottom and click Send, then click Done. The keyboard shortcut for copying is Ctrl+Shift+V.